Join me as I challenge myself to create a stunning mini wood painting that can turn into the coolest fridge magnet. In this video, you'll learn how to create stunning mini wood paintings that not only brighten up your fridge but also make for great personalized gifts. Many people struggle with finding unique and creative ways to decorate their homes, especially with small items like fridge magnets. They often end up with boring, store-bought magnets that lack personality. Decorating your home is all about expressing your personal style, and what better way to do that than with handmade items? Fridge magnets are a great place to start, as they're small and can add a lot of character to your kitchen. Creating unique fridge magnets can be a fun and creative outlet, allowing you to think outside the box and come up with innovative designs. You can use different shapes, colors, and patterns to create one-of-a-kind magnets that reflect your personality. Whether you're into minimalistic designs or bold statements, there's a mini wood painting out there for you. Adding a personal touch to your fridge magnets can also make them special and meaningful. You can paint a miniature version of your favorite artwork, a memorable place, or even a quote that inspires you. The possibilities are endless, and it's a great way to showcase your hobbies and interests. We'll go through the materials you'll need, the step-by-step process of painting on wood, and some tips for creating eye-catching designs. To get started, you'll need a few basic materials, including a small piece of wood, some paint, and a sealant. The type of wood you choose is important, as it can affect the overall look and feel of your painting. You'll also need to prepare your wood surface before painting, which includes sanding and priming. This will help create a smooth surface for painting and ensure that your design turns out vibrant and clear. Once you've prepared your surface, you can start thinking about your design and what colors you want to use. Choosing the right colors is crucial, as it can make or break your design. You'll want to select colors that complement each other and fit with your overall aesthetic. You can use a single color or multiple colors, depending on the look you're going for. The key is to have fun and be creative with your color choices. The most exciting part will be revealing the finished mini wood paintings and how they can instantly enhance your kitchen decor. Once you've completed your painting, you can add a magnet to the back and attach it to your fridge. It's amazing how such a small item can add so much personality to a room. You can use your mini wood paintings to add a pop of color to your kitchen, or to create a themed display on your fridge. You can also use them as gift tags or bag charms, making them a versatile and practical item. The finished product is not only beautiful but also functional. Your mini wood painting can become a conversation starter, and people will love the story behind it. You can paint a special message or a memorable date on the wood, making it a unique and thoughtful gift. The process of creating something with your own hands is rewarding, and it's a great way to relax and express yourself. The finished mini wood paintings are a testament to the power of creativity and self-expression. They're a reminder that even the smallest items can make a big impact when made with love and care. To wrap up, we've transformed simple wood pieces into beautiful art that serves a practical purpose while also showcasing your creativity. I love the idea of taking something old and discarded, and turning it into something beautiful and unique. It's amazing what a little creativity can do, and I'm excited to share this process with you. Finding creative ways to use leftover materials can be a real challenge. We've all been there, staring at a pile of scraps, wondering what we can possibly make with them. It's easy to get overwhelmed by the possibilities, and sometimes it's hard to know where to start. A lot of people hesitate when it comes to starting a new painting project, especially if they're using an unconventional material like scrap wood. There's always the fear that it won't turn out right, or that it will be too difficult. But the truth is, that's all part of the process. Making mistakes and trying new things is where the magic happens, and it's often the unexpected twists and turns that lead to the most amazing results. I think that's what I love most about upcycling. It's all about experimentation and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. To get started, I need to select the right piece of scrap wood. I'm looking for something with an interesting texture or shape, something that will add an extra layer of depth to my painting. Once I've chosen my wood, it's time to prep it for painting. This involves cleaning it, sanding it, and applying a coat of primer. With my wood all prepped, I can start brainstorming design ideas. I love this part of the process, because it's all about exploring different possibilities and seeing what feels right. I might sketch out a few rough ideas, or I might just start painting and see where it takes me. The key is to stay flexible and open to new ideas, and to be willing to take risks. As I start to paint, I'll be thinking about techniques and tips that will help bring my design to life, things like layering, texture, and color. As I apply the colors and techniques, my painting really starts to come to life. It's amazing to see how a few simple brushstrokes can transform a piece of scrap wood into a stunning work of art. I love the way the colors blend and merge, creating a unique and interesting texture that's all my own. It's a really intuitive process, and it's all about feeling my way through the different layers and elements. The end result is always a surprise, and it's what makes this process so exciting. I never quite know what I'll end up with, but I always know it will be something special. I'm so satisfied with how my mini masterpiece turned out. It's a one-of-a-kind piece of art that's not only beautiful, but also eco-friendly. If you've been inspired to try your own scrapwood project, I'd love to see it. Share your creations in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more creative DIY content.